Here we've got Troy cleaning up nice XY GT that we've done. Just done the body and paint work on it. Mr. Restoration on the Gold Coast. 55 971 935 if you want a good job done. As you can see, it's really nice. This car's going to the GT Nationals. If you want to see it, definitely take out a few awards. And just walk around it. All done back to original. Troy, can you open the bonnet please? Just give you a look inside the engine bay. As you can see, everything's been done, taken apart. All factory. Matching numbered car. All wiring's done back to factory. Very nice car. Down to inside here, if you have a look, all the suspension. You have a look down the side here and see how straight it's come up. If you like this, follow us on Facebook, search for your friends and Mr. Restoration and hit like. You can follow the builds just like this car. We put posts up every day. Hope to see ya.